Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do some basic footwork, and that is how to do the heel toe, or I call it the heel toe twist. And it's not the same as this one, that's also heel toe, but it's also known as happy feet, yeah? And I'm also going to do another variant of this heel toe twisting, which is just from Toprock. So basically just moving your back leg here. Alright, so let's start with a normal heel toe twist. Yeah, and I think the perfect way to learn that is by using some chairs.
Step 1. Get some chairs. Step 2. Make sure to keep them close and not too far apart. Step 3. Take off some weight using your arms, and now you can practice in slow motion.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is just try and learn a subtle version, yeah, and then we can exaggerate afterwards, yeah? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so the first exercise we're gonna do is just jump heel toe, yeah? So the right foot is gonna say heel, the left foot is gonna say toes. Alright, and the secret is to keep them as close as possible and not too far away from each other, yeah? So I'm just gonna show it from the side. So something like this and not like that. Alright, so from here we want to say switch. Now the right is on your toes, the left is on your heel. And then we say switch jump, switch, 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 switch. Alright, so once you can do that, we want to practice turning from side to side. And we just want to start by learning a subtle one. Yeah, we don't need to exaggerate yet. We can do that afterwards. Okay, so let's start. Right leg is gonna be up on your heel, and left leg is gonna be up on your toes. And we want to jump to our left side. Yeah? So remember, right is in the front on the heel, left is in the back on the toes. Now we want to turn to our right, whoop. And then here, we just want to switch like that. So now the left is in the front on the heel, right is in the back on the toes. And then we turn to the left, and then we say switch, turn to the right, and then switch, turn to the left, switch, turn to the right. Now, let me just show you from another angle as well. So, starting with the right in the front, we go whoop, turn to the right, whoop, turn to the left, whoop, turn to the right, whoop, turn to the left. Okay, so once you can do the heel toe move with the support of the chairs, we want to learn how to do it without the chairs, alright? And a way to do that is by using your upper body and your arms as well, yeah? So, the arms and your upper body is going like that. Yeah, so this is my left arm going up to my right shoulder. Yeah, and this is my right arm going a bit to my right side. Yeah, because then I want to swing it to the other side. Boom. Notice how my upper body is also swinging from side to side. Yeah, so my arms are always trying to point the opposite direction of where I'm looking. Yeah, so opposite, swing, 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 and this is gonna help us with the momentum we need in order to turn on a heel toe. Alright? So when you combine it, this is my right leg, I wanna jump to my left corner like that. So the right is in the front, left is in the back. My arms, opposite side, so this is my right side, and I'm looking to my left corner here, yeah? Now, when I turn, I pull my arms here, all right? So I use that to swing, all right, to turn. And then when I jump switch, I want to move like, yeah, so my arms stay here, my upper body stays here, and then I turn, yeah? And then when you switch, keep your position here, and then turn, switch, turn, switch, turn, switch, turn, switch, turn, switch, turn. Now, so far we've turned outwards, yeah, But you can also do the opposite and go inwards, 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 inwards. Yeah, that's another variation. You can also just jump on the same. Yeah. So far we've done this switch, switch, but you can also just jump on the same. You just turn back here, turn, and then jump back here, turn, jump back here. Yeah, so you basically just do the same, right? Okay, so just to recap, this is one variation, yeah. This is another, whoop, inwards, and then this is another, same side. Now, as for the heel toe top rock, it's, in my opinion, it's actually a bit easier, especially if you do it slow. Then it's, you know, the same principle. You jump out to one side, yeah. So let's say the right is in the front, left is in the back, right is on the heel, left is on the toes. Now, instead of just turning here, both feet, then you want to say the one leg, the one that's behind, is taking a step to the side. Same time as you're turning, yeah? So let me just rewind, whoop. From here, you say step. And then when you switch, you say switch. And then you say step, switch, step, switch, step, switch, step. So let me just show it from the side as well. It's here, step, jump, step, jump, step, jump, step. So something I see that's very common within top rock when they do this move is that they move to one side. So let's say when they start here, boom, step, they take a step with the front leg here, the right leg, boom, and then step again, and then they can just keep going this way. So let me just show you from this view as well. So you go boom, step, boom, step, boom, step, boom, step. Yeah, and you can use it to travel it. So if you want to move to that side, you can go here, step, 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 and so on. It's actually really cool if you do it fast. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the heel toe twist move. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.